Salam guys, this is Farooq and you are watching TeechoVibes. Before starting the video, let me tell you that why we need to change the electrodes and what is the best time to change them. There is two methods to know the best time to change the electrodes. First, there is a function of splicing machine called ARC discharge count. After reaching the manufacturer's recommended ARC discharge, electrode should be replaced. Second, the Fusion splicing machine will alarm to remind user to replace the electrode. In that case, you should replace the electrode of your splicing machine, otherwise splicing loss and quality will be affected. Let's start the process step by step. This is Fujikura 62S splice machine and these are electrodes. I bought it around $80–85 and now we are going to change them. Let's turn on the machine and see what to do with it. This machine is already giving an alarm to change the electrodes, so this is the time to change them. And if we take a closer look at the electrode, we can see that they are in very bad condition, so I didn't have any option except to change them. Let's check its arc count, that how much arc or how much splices this machine have done. You will find the arc count option 4th menu in the setting. 5.8k arc is too much and this is such a burden, but now we have scale to change them. 4th menu, there is an option for replace electrodes, selected by pressing the enter button and press again for confirmation. Machine will turn off automatically and now we can replace the electrode. I just cleaned my machine before starting this video, so if you feel dust, then first clean your machine. Now we will unscrew the electrodes and first we will remove their caps. At this stage we just need a screwdriver which should fit enough for the screw size. Let me tell you one more thing here, that all machines of Fujikura have almost same process to change their electrodes. For example, 60S, 62S, 80S, 88S, 90S and the others on the list have same method. Power has been removed. Now unscrew the electrode slightly and arrange all parts aside to keep from mess. Now repeat the same process for the second one. Well, I can make sure after this video you guys will be able to change electrodes for all Fujikura machines because they have same method for all. Our old electrodes are almost removed and now is time to put the new electrodes. We will unpack the new one. There is a tiny bag with them to protect them from moisturizing or rust, I think so. Very be careful while changing the electrodes and do not let them touch with any hard surface, otherwise quality could affect. And now it's time to remove the older one and put the new one. After that, remove its cover. While removing the cover, make sure that it should not be dusty or touch with any hard surface. And I'm increasing the speed to save the time. Now put them back slightly and tighten them, but do not put much force on tiny screws. Repeat this process for the second one. After that, put their covers back. Here the electrodes are replaced, but still few steps we have to follow to keep our electrodes healthy and safe. After replacement of electrodes, when machine will start again, it will ask for electrode stabilization. Now the question is, what is electrode stabilization and why we need it? According to Fujikura, in the event of sudden change in environmental conditions, the arc power sometimes becomes unstable, resulting in a higher splice loss. Especially when the splicer is moved from lower altitudes to higher altitudes, it takes time for the arc power to stabilize. In this case, stabilizing electrodes will expedite the process of making the arc power stable. Let's make them stabilize. We have to give fibers in machine. I already strip and cleave to save the time. Stabilization will start automatically after changing the electrodes. Either you can go to the menu to start it. Machine will make arc for 45 times to stabilize. If you get arc power not good, then you can repeat this process until it gets better. Every arc will take 5 to 10 seconds to complete and it will make splice slowly to stabilize the electrodes, so we will not waste our time to watch it completely and we'll go directly to the end. It's done and machine didn't give me any error and arc count is reset as well. Let's go for next step, which is ARC calibration. What is ARC calibration and why it's important? If you want to read that what Fujikura says about ARC calibration, you can pause the video and read it. And I will go directly to the procedure. In fifth menu there is an option for ARC calibration, but before you have to give fibers to machine for ARC calibration. After that simply select ARC calibration and it will start. Machine will make couple of arc and every arc will take 5 to 10 seconds. After that it will show you the result. If it's good then go for the second step, if not then do it again. It will not take so long, and here the results are. Power and position both are good, and we are ready to go for the next step, which is motor calibration. What is motor calibration and why it's important? Just pause the video and read it. I am directly going to the procedure. In fifth menu there is an option for motor calibration. Before doing this, don't forget to put fibers. Simply select the option and it will start. I just speed up the video to save the time, and motors were adjusted at the factory before shipping. However, settings could change due to the various reasons. The function automatically calibrates the speed of all 6 motors. All 6 motors are resetting and it will not take so long. So almost they are done, and here the results are. Our all motors are okay. We are ready to go for the next step. Everything is done, and now we will make our first splice. After replacing the electrode, put the fiber inside the machine and watch. If you guys like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more technical vibes. Thank you very much, and we will meet in next video inshallah.